Welcome to Gyan Setu, the knowledge bridge. Hello everyone, I am Sukriti and today we will discuss Class 7 Science Chapter 4 Heat. Let us start this chapter. In Chapter 3, we have learned that woolen clothes are made up of animal fibers. Okay? Woolen clothes made up of animal fibers and cotton clothes are made from plant fibers. Cotton clothes we wore in summer and woolen clothes we wore in winters. Okay? So the topic is hot and cold. Hot means garm, cold means thanda. You can see the table 4.1. Here are some objects given. We have to tick mark it is cold or warm, okay, or cool or hot. Let us take an example. Ice cream. Ice cream is cold or hot? It is cold, okay. So tea. Tea is warm, okay. So this is your homework. You have to do this table, okay. So while touching the hot things, we should be careful while handling them, okay, because it can burn also. So some objects can be hot or some objects can be cold, okay. Here is an activity 4.1. In this activity we have to take 3 small tubs. In A tub, fill the tub with hot water, B cold water, and C hot plus cold. Mix the both hot and cold and fill the third, okay. So we have to put the right hand in A, left hand in B, okay. After keeping the hands in 2 mugs for 2 to 3 minutes, put both the hands simultaneously in mug C. Okay? पहले हमने क्या किया, लेफ्ट हैंड को कोल्ड वाटर में, राइट हैंड को वार्म वाटर में, हॉट वाटर में रखा और फिर 2-3 मिनट्स के बाद सी टब में रखा. डू द हैंड्स गेट द सेम फीलिंग? अगर हॉट में रखेंगे तो हमें हॉट लगेगा, गर्म लगेगा, और कोल्ड में रखेंगे तो हमें ठंडा लगेगा. बट व्हेन वी पुट आवर हैंड्स इन सी टब, व्हाट वी फील? Do this activity at your home and observe what is the result and comment it, okay. So to measure the hotness of any object, okay, so for measuring, okay, measuring हमें एक, for example there are 2 glass, okay, 2 glasses है. अब हमें अगर कंपेयर करना हो which glasses have the more temperature, है ना, किसमें ज़्यादा गर्म पानी है, तो वो हमें मेज़र करना होगा, ठीक है. उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? टेम्परेचर. जब मेज़र करेंगे तो A reliable measure of hotness of an object is temperature. Okay. So for measuring temperature, a device is used called thermometer. Okay. There are two types of thermometer. First is clinical and second is laboratory. Okay. What is clinical thermometer? The thermometer that measures our body temperature. Okay. Which we use to measure the body temperature. All the doctors have. Okay. So the thermometer, clinical thermometer, reads temperature from 35 degree to 42 degree Celsius. Okay. And the normal temperature of our body is 37 degree Celsius. Okay. The next topic is laboratory thermometer. For measuring temperature of other object, we use laboratory thermometer. Here is the laboratory thermometer. You can see the picture. Okay. The range of the laboratory thermometer is minus 10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. In next part, we will discuss transfer of heat. Thank you for watching. For enhancing your knowledge, like, share and subscribe Gyan Setu and don't forget to hit the bell icon.